Two ways to insert location symbol in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then at the top, click on Insert. After that, click on Icons in here. After you click on Icons, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the top, you will find Search Bar. In there, type in Location and click on the location symbol you want and press on Insert at the bottom. After that, your location icon will be added. You can resize it. After that, click on Graphics Fields at the top and select any color you want as well. Another way what you can do is open Google. Then in Google, search location icon and click on the location icon you want. Then right-click on the picture and save it. After you've saved it, open Word and click on Insert at the top. Click on Pictures in this device. Then select the picture and your picture will be inserted. And this is two ways to insert location symbol in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.